video, I will show you how to use two functions, index and match, to do lookups in Microsoft Excel. The data which we have here is a record of sales of different car dealerships in each month. What I'd like to do is on the right, the month category, I'd like to type the month, then type the brand of the car, and then get the sales of that particular brand and month. So for that, we use the index and match function. First, I'll click here and type equal to index open bracket. Now it's asking for an array, so select the data which needs to be referred. Then it wants a row number and column number, which we don't know since it depends on what we type in month and brand section. So we use match. Now open bracket. Now it's asking for a lookup value which changes, so select the space next to month, comma. Now it needs a lookup array, so select the months from the table, comma. Now it is asking for what kind of a match we need, so we need an exact match, so select 0, close bracket, select match, open bracket, select the space next to brand, comma. The lookup value is the brand names, so select that, comma, 0, and close the bracket twice and enter. Now type in the month and the brand and you get the sales, that is 150. This is a very useful function in Excel to get a particular data from a large data table easily. Today I'm going to show you how to use Vlookup in Microsoft Excel. So when you typically want to use Vlookup is when you have a list of data and you are looking for a value within that list. So I have this table here with the name and age of the people, but their phone numbers are in another sheet and I need to show it in this table which I have here. Let's see if we can use Vlookup to find out. So first thing is type in equals. Then type in Vlookup, open bracket. Now it's asking for a lookup value. So select only the names and not the age. I've made a mistake there. Now it needs a table where it can look for those values. Go to the next page and select the whole table, comma, 2. Means which column to look at. That is second column. Comma, false means you need the exact value. Now close bracket and there you get your values. So that's how you use Vlookup in Microsoft Excel.